If you want to get an iPhone ringtone on the Xiaomi 17, in that case, first of all, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Now in here, we should be able to tap on search, and we should be able to search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we can just type iPhone ringtone in here. There we go, and we should be able to search for an app. Of course, we can find many different apps that, at least in theory, should be able to grant us the access to the iPhone ringtone. And in my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install this one, and we're gonna see if we can how it works. Of course, feel free to try any other app in case this one doesn't work for you. So we're gonna open this one. Of course, we might see ads in the meantime, but we should be able to skip them after a short while. There we go. We need to allow the app to access music and audio on this device. We also need to grant the system permission so that we can set the ringtone by using this app. And over here we have the list of different ringtones. If we tap on play, we should be able to have a little preview of the ringtone. So we should be able to try to find the one that we want to use. Tap on these three lines on the right side in order to proceed to this menu, and over here we can tap on the ringtone. Of course, you might see another ad in the meantime, but that is okay, we can just skip it once again. And we should see that we have set the ringtone successfully. So hopefully that is the case. We're gonna double check. We're gonna open settings and go to sound and vibration. And the easiest way to check that is by simply adjusting the volume of the ringtone over here. And yes, it was actually changed. In case it is not, we can tap on the ringtone over there. You can choose local ringtone in here and go to audio files, and most likely you can find the MP3 file of that custom ringtone. It should be actually downloaded on your phone. So then you can select it over here, and then you can apply it for as your ringtone or for both SIMs if you have two SIMs on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.